Every time you see a pilot, you see authority, precision, power. But have you ever wondered how that uniform is actually made? This isn't just fabric, this is high-grade engineered material, designed, tested, and crafted to perform at 35,000 feet. From digital design labs to laser-cut precision machines, what you're about to see is the complete transformation. From raw fabric to the uniform trusted in the sky. At first it looks simple, a roll of deep navy fabric, resting silently on a machine. But in just a few seconds, that fabric will begin a transformation into something far more powerful. Because this is not just clothing. This is the uniform trusted at 35,000 feet. The moment the fabric is locked into place, precision takes control. Laser-guided systems begin cutting, not just shapes, but identity. Every panel, every curve, every millimeter, engineered for perfection. And as those pieces move forward, the factory comes alive. Hundreds of synchronized machines, stitching, aligning, building structure. A jacket begins to form, not randomly, but with calculated precision. That reflects discipline, authority, leadership. Shoulders are reinforced, because those shoulders carry responsibility. Sleeves are aligned, because every detail must match global aviation standards. And then, the moment of identity begins. Golden buttons are pressed into place, insignias embroidered, thread by thread, transforming fabric into rank, captain, first officer, crew. At this stage, it's no longer just a uniform, it's a symbol. But perfection is not assumed, it is tested, relentlessly. Trousers are cut with exact symmetry, waistbands reinforced for durability, belt loops positioned with millimeter accuracy. Every stitch must survive pressure, movement, time. Because at altitude, failure is not an option. Fabric is stretched, pulled, tested beyond normal limits, and still, it must return to perfection. Then comes finishing. Seams are sealed, creases are sharpened, steam rises, as the uniform takes its final shape. At the same time, another line begins. Cabin crew uniforms. White fabric, clean, elegant, precise. Cut, stitched, shaped. Every line designed for confidence, every fold designed for movement, every detail designed to represent excellence in motion. Zippers are installed invisibly, hems aligned flawlessly. Pressing machines finalize perfection. And then, everything enters the most critical phase. Quality control. Here, nothing is overlooked. Microscopes inspect stitching. Light chambers test color consistency. Machines pull at seams, push against buttons, simulate years of wear in seconds. Because a uniform worn in the sky must survive everything on the ground, even wrinkles are tested. Compressed, released, and expected to recover instantly. Only then, after passing every test, does it earn approval. And now something incredible happens. All pieces come together. Jacket, trousers, shirt, accessories, placed onto mannequins, aligned, adjusted, perfected. The uniform is no longer a product, it becomes presence. Scarves are added, caps placed, badges aligned, lighting shifts, and suddenly, this isn't a factory anymore, it's a brand. Cameras capture it, every angle, every detail, every reflection of authority. Because what you're looking at is not just manufacturing, it's storytelling. Then, everything is folded, perfectly, placed into luxury packaging, sealed, tracked, prepared for global movement. And just like that, the journey leaves the factory, loaded onto trucks, secured with precision, moved through highways, toward the next phase, the airport. Cargo is unloaded, containers sealed, routes assigned, and soon it enters the sky. The aircraft accelerates, faster, faster, until lift. Now, the uniform is exactly where it belongs, above the clouds, traveling across continents, carrying identity across borders, and when it arrives, it doesn't just get delivered, it gets handed over to airlines, to crews, to professionals who will wear it with pride. And then the final transformation happens. A pilot steps forward, wearing it, owning it. A cabin crew team walks together, confident, unified, and in that moment, you realize something powerful. This was never just fabric. It was discipline, stitched into every seam, precision, built into every line, leadership, woven into every thread, from a silent roll of fabric to a symbol recognized worldwide. This is the journey of a pilot uniform, crafted for the sky, designed for excellence.
Chin up slightly, pilot, and look right into the lens, cabin crew. Beautiful.
Bay 2 is clear for pickup.
Roger that. Bring in the next load now.
That's the last one. Secure the restraints. Green light confirmed. Bay is secure.
Seal integrity confirmed. Door is locked.
Checklist complete. Aircraft is secure.
We are passing through 10,000. Speed checks complete.
Landing checklist, below the line.
Check.
Approaching minimums, continuing.
Flare.
Tower, this is Flight 123, clear of the active runway. Request taxi instructions.
All right, clear on this side. Set it down right here. Got it. Looks good.
The new standard in aviation luxury. Designed for comfort, crafted for command.